Hello, everybody. Here I am in Nagoya, Japan, and this is one of the Poka Yoke examples that Toyota used in their factories. I'm gonna give you a little demonstration. I hope everything goes well. So we have basically these metal sliders, okay? And each one of them has a color code, okay? For example, this one has blue and green. If I slide it in the actual slot, then as you can see, the boxes with parts that open are the blue and green boxes, okay? The other ones do not open. Now this one is blue and purple or pink. And if you slide that in, you see that blue and pink, the boxes with parts open and the other ones remain closed. Again, an example of Poka Yoke or mistake proofing. And it has everything to do, obviously, with the shape of these sliders, as you can see, because given the fact that they have different shapes, they lock or unlock different parts of the mechanism. Toyota has a lot of these examples. This is just one, and I wanted to share it with you.